Hey everyone, hope you're doing great. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset your PC to factory settings. Super quick and easy. Let's jump right in. Click the Start button, then go to Settings. Next, click on System. On the left-hand side, scroll down and click on Recovery. Now you'll see the option Reset this PC. Click on Get Started. You'll now have two choices. Keep my files. Your documents stay, but apps and settings will be removed. Remove everything. This wipes your PC completely like it just came out of the box. For this video, we'll choose Remove Everything for a full reset. Now click Reinstall and Next. Now click Reset and your PC will be restarted. The reset process might take some time. Just be patient. And that's it. Your PC is now like brand new. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how it went. See you in the next one. Bye.